Wala sad akong cellphone no. Nasa na bagong picture ni Kyle.
Morning guys. Today is a very good day. Sunday karon guys, and we are preparing for our kanang NSTP seminar. So if you'd like to kanang know my kanang schedule for today, just follow and subscribe to my channel. And so guys, thank you.
Okay, ako yung seminar.
So this is our
Kyle,
venue for today's seminar.
Clips akong bag.
So mo na siyang gitawag nga SAC or Special Education Classroom.
Special education classroom kami.
So dari klase
Sex had na.
Di, SAC na yung pag-pronounce SAC.
Okay, SAC.
SAC.
SAC na siya, SAC.
SAC.
Or
Yes. SAC.
section. Pagkuya, uy.
Ako lang mag-demo sa mga kaya para daw babae mo tanaw.
Gigo. Supportase kasi mong demo era.
Demo era.
Ouch!
Nanood na kita din.
Buyo, na spider.
Saan na?
Uy, Kyle?
Yata ni Chanel ba? Yata ni Chanel.
Ay, di mo ka basta gini mo
Ayaw, ikuan. Respect animals sa inyo sa mga kasyang.
Ay, dagan siya. Tama kita lang ina lang ni Gola.
Buwong mo na si Chamil eh. Ato dito ka para di ka mamatay. Pakilid. Nag-vlog mo kayo, bubo ka ba? So guys, nigawas mi sa classroom guys kay sudra mi kalit bisan wala permission. Mura gid mga crazy. Sun kiss. Kiss of the sun. So gitawag sila guys, kipatabang sila guys, kay ambot ito nila guys. Ako dali kayo mag chill ako guys. Tingnan namin ang mga guwapo. Saan nakakaroon no? I don't know what they were doing, but it seems like they have done something, guys. I'll save that guys in the wash. So, ako guys, is di rin ako magulat kay hindi ko gusto masubukan. I don't like, you know. But it seems like they are doing something. I don't know what is it, but they've done something, guys. Kay they are so pabida. So yeah, it's their fault. I'm just going to sit in here and wait for the right moment. So I think it would be nice enough to join them. It seems like they are having trouble with their kind of task, guys. Okay, let me join them and assist them. So yeah. So I'm kind of here.
Gamay! Gamay pa.
Swagay gamay. Tara guys sila guys.
Ha? Hi guys. Oh! Ano sir?
Ano na ito botang?
Yes, sir. Pwede na siya mo. Oh, hindi.
There.
Hindi pa siguro nakilala si Nico?
Ah, sige, sir.
Hindi na nakilala si Nico? Kani ba?
Oh,
Hindi nakilala na si Nico?
limpyo man, sir.
Malimpir na si Nico?
So, dari ani guys, buta ko na to kaya mag-assist na nila. Dari ara na siya. So yeah, I think it's good already. So yeah, I'm gonna put my bag in here.
Hala si Kuan mo. Kadikit si Kyle. Video ka na yung bukas. Oh, sige na siya magpuyo. Sige na siya magpuyo. Saan na siya magpuyo? What if I drop here? So, baby, look at clear. Look at clear na clear. Oh my gosh. I thought it was concrete.
Bayo ko alam sa gising nga at ko ang particularis sa Karanjin.
Uy, free ball pen. Thank you, Lord.
Hello, 5 minutes na day. 5 minutes na, almost na. 5 minutes na ka day. Sir, mga 5. Hello.
I am for the presidency. This is my platform. Next term. First is
Yeah, no, then.
I will
Sir, ganito sa GCC mo daw.
main state universities in the Philippines, including City of
Ayun, sir.
Technological University.
God damn, the dog of the Philippines. Representing.
I
President
am the president. I'm running for the candidacy of presidency in the election of 2030
Stand,
to
narang stand.
2036. I hope
What
that
is
you will
this?
vote me. Okay? I will now state my platform for today's for this
Flat daw. Flat form.
Platform.
platform.
Flat forms.
Joe Biden.
Joe Biden. Sir. What is your ano po?
Mo question na yun. Question.
People wars. Sir.
Mga tanong ka. What is your stand?
Marcos. Anong ganaman yung papatay si Sarah?
Diba? What is your stand about the issue of West Philippine Sea?
Wala, sit down.
I'll give the West Philippine Sea to the child.
May I know, sir? What's the reason? Is it true, sir?
Okay? Is your
Is
question?
it true, sir, that the happenings, the incident all about the AJK is
What is
out of
AJK?
your hands?
Can you please
Extrajudicial killing?
it's
You don't know that?
killing? Well,
Announce ka
it's
mo,
not being
kapag ka.
the extrajudicial killing.
Oh my God, I'm sweating.
Policeman in our country.
Book. Naa. Clear na tape. Like literal na clear.
Yes.
Yes.
It's because na
A day in my life as a future educator, major in English. So today is December 1, and they are currently, sa day ni?
Hi!
This is my motherfucking classmate.
Uy, grabe sa top! Kasi naka-timelapse na ha?
Ah, wala man.
Na?
Yes!
Kana lang oh.
First come! Oh, I so love that one! Preparedness.
Kaninang cellphone to? Magandang araw sa ating lahat. Ngayon ay meron kaming ginagawa. Pasensya na po. Oh, ikaw na sad. Kape gunit.
Okay. This is me practicing my speech for election 2030 to 2036.
May mo siya president ba? President Kyle?
Dear beloved constituents of the Philippines.
Dear beloved.
Paglago, di pa nga magandang sa kundi ko doy.
Ikaw mo ganyan. Atras. Hi guys, madin akong batos.
Ay, mo ito din. Let's go din. Let's go din. No? Makanta ko ha.
Tahi daw. Dito, buhok.
Gabasyo. Ay, dito sa ba? Okay, this is not common. This is not. Buwan mo ko.
Kapagid.
Hindi siya buwan. Hindi siya stone.
Sa stone. Hindi siya concrete.
Concrete.
Uy.
Shit.
What are you talking about? Sa stone.
Uy, ka basta.
Sino ba?
Gagi.
No, it's different.
Chamil yan. What? Na?
Nasak ko ba? Ah, sakto na.
Did you?
What can we find over here? Okay.
We can find that there is something.
Why is
Guys,
it?
so open the door. I just found a new discovery.
That's
Wait,
so
office
small.
Oh
Oh, office lady. Okay, I'm sorry.
It's not office mo. Asa
Okay, you try to open it.
No, I cannot open
No,
it.
you can open it.
What if netaw
Use
dia?
your brain, not your mind.
Oh!
Wow! I
That
believe.
was a bar, bro.
What?
I dropped
Kita may
the bar.
mag-giros. Wala may giros.
Di ba Rose giluto?
Ako na sa be, overcook. Ni 1 little minutes na. Ah, hi, we're the best at English 1D. Wala pa itaw sa ko. Ay, shit.
Lots of people waiting over there.
Yeah, so ay magtipon ang CS and then ang COT.
So guys,
New vlog.
we're going